Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little shop update for you. Uh, I've had a lot going on, been busy. Uh, Still working on the ATC here. It functions. I want to get the right parts in there, get it working like it's supposed to regularly. So yeah, that's still going on. It's just not been going on. I haven't made any progress on it because I've been super busy. Been trying to clean up a little bit and do a few modifications in the shop here. I don't know if you noticed, but it's a little extra bright behind me because I've installed a few new lights, and they're the Barina T8s on Amazon. You can find them on there. 6 of them are like 85 bucks shipped. And as you can see, it adds a whole lot of light to the shop. I do have the one extra light on over there. And when I say it adds extra light to the shop, this is what I mean. Ooh, I got real close. Sorry, guys. Don't mind the door. But the old Barina T5s, I believe, that I installed, that's them right there. That's me. That's them. You'll notice some of them aren't on. There's one on that row. I had 2 for every section, and I replaced it with 2 there, 1 there, and that's one of the old ones right there, and you can see it's got some funk going on in there. Yeah, maybe skip those. I don't know what's going on with them. They worked great. They lit it up good. The T8s do a better job. It's a little warmer light too, so I'm liking those a lot. Yeah, skip the T5s. They've been dying on me like a lot quickly. This side over here too. Half my shop is unusable if it's dark outside. So fortunately, it's not the side I use all the time. But yeah, see all the junk. I've been doing some rearranging. But yeah, no, I don't know if it's because it's gotten cold for here, and I haven't been in the shop a whole lot, so I haven't been really keeping it as warm as I normally do. I've kept it above freezing, but not warm. At least mid 40s, 50s when I'm not using it. So I haven't been doing that. So maybe the cold's killing it, but maybe they just reached their end of life. I mean, they were, I think, 8 for 60 bucks. So I ended up getting 16 of them, so okay. They did their job, but it's time to move on. I really like the new ones as compared to the old ones. So I have more new ones coming. Not new ones. They're already new. Don't mind me. One of the other things I've been busy with, besides just trying to get the shop organized, one of the reasons I was trying to clean it up and make some room. Hardinge HC chucker with AccuSlide. Fagor control. If you follow me on Instagram, oh geez, I keep doing that to y'all. Sorry guys. If you follow me on Instagram, I've already shown some with the control powered up. Right now, she's cracked open. Lost. There was a shipping incident. Not on my end previously. That's why I got such a good deal on it. I have new connectors coming, new CPC connectors. This one's actually okay, but as you see, right, John, actually several of those are busted to some extent, and it ripped the wires out of the Z-axis. So I'm replacing the old one with a new one, and I've been very frustrated by the fact that half of my shop's lights went out, and I'm over here trying to solder in a hole. Oh well, such is life. Yeah, I want to get that going back there so it can make parts. I still got my manual lathe. Get her going with the ATC so she can make parts. And because I got some parts I want to make. So anyway, I'm going to work on machines so that I can have machines work for me and stuff. What y'all doing? And these happened also. Come here, Rebel. It's my boy. My wife decided we needed Great Danes, so Rebel and Harley. Yep. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. That's all I got going. What have you got? Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to work on trying to get this place cleaned up a little bit. I don't foresee having a lot of free time until the end of March, so I'm going to piddle at this stuff. Hopefully by middle end of March, I'll be going. I've got some hybrid stepper kits that I've got to build in the meantime for the Tormax, so I can keep those coming out. I've got a few orders for those. I'm actually trying to get to where I can keep some in stock. That would be awesome for my customers. I know you guys would appreciate it. A little quicker delivery on those. Also, still working on the ClearPath stuff. I got some things worked out for it. I know some people are interested. Price roughly $2,400 though. So I mean, you can save $1,000 and change really by going with the hybrid steppers. It's but it's up to you. A few benefits to each. So all right, I want to work on that stuff and hopefully have some stuff going here before too much longer. Like I said, a couple more weeks. Man, middle of March 2021, I have some free time coming up. So until then, hopefully I'll have more to post. All right, bye.